Good morning, National Dayers! It's Mrs. Erickson. Today is Tuesday, October 17th. It is the 290th day of the year. There are 75 days left. Happy National Wear Something Gaudy Day.
October 17th is Wear Something Gaudy Day. Celebrate this unofficial holiday by wearing everything flashy, loud, and gaudy in your wardrobe. The word gaudy is used to refer to things that are bright and flashy and usually tasteless and tacky. Well, how do you celebrate? You wear something gaudy. Do you have a neon pink shirt? Pair it with bright neon green pants. Accessorize with more colorful jewelry, and you are all set to celebrate this fun and colorful holiday. Do you own a bedazzler? Bedazzle your own outfit and shine throughout the day. Also, plus point, if you bedazzle a sweater, you could reuse it on Ugly Sweater Day during the holidays. Just saying. Today is also National Clean Your Virtual Desktop Day, National Pasta Day, National Mulligan Day, and National Pay Back a Friend Day. All right, National Dayers, sometimes you just don't have something gaudy to wear. Gather the following supplies. You'll need a mason jar, liquid glue, a paintbrush, and glitter. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take that paintbrush and you're gonna paint the bottom inside half of the jar with the glue. And you wanna be careful not to get any of the glue on the top part just yet. Then you're gonna pour some glitter into the jar and shake it as hard as you can, making sure you coat every inch of that glue with the glitter that you poured in there. And then you're gonna dump out the excess and tap it really good to get as much of the extra glitter out as you can. Next, you're gonna paint the top half of the jar with glue, and you wanna get all of those spots that there's not glitter already stuck to the jar. And then take your other color of glitter and you're going to pour it into the jar, shake it really well, dump out the extra and tap it really good to get all the extra glitter out. Then you want to leave the lid off of the jar to let the glue dry completely. It'll probably take a couple of hours. And now you have something gaudy that you don't necessarily have to wear. You could just decorate with it. And you can make as many as you want. The more, the gaudier.
All right, National Dayers, sometimes you just can't wear something gaudy, right? I think glitter reminds me of something that would be gaudy, like sparkly and shiny and whoa, look at that, it's picking up the light. It's so cool. So this was something fun we could do if you just maybe have to wear something a little bit boring. Bring something sparkly. Keep smiling, National Dayers. Have a terrific Tuesday, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
It's time for super spectacular shout-outs. Our shout-outs today start us off with Rory and everyone in the Adults with Disabilities program at Strides in Castro Valley, California. Next up is Ms. Loftus and everyone in her 2nd through 4th grade program at Subaru Elementary School in Bakersfield, California. And our third shout out today goes out to Ms. Anna V and everyone in the Adult Transition Program, RCOE, at TCHS in Lake Elsinore, California. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support. I hope you loved your shout out. Teachers, if you'd like to get your class a shout out, just complete the Google form. The link can be found below this video in the description. And here it is, our updated super spectacular shout out map.